Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in OneMain financial account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.onemainfinancial.com/log-in. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of OneMain Financial. You'll directly be led to the login interface. From here you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your email and password. So click on the field of email and enter the email address over here. Make sure to enter the registered email address. Once you enter the email address, what you have to do is enter your password. Simply enter the password correctly. If you have forgotten your password, you'll be able to find the option for forgot password. Simply click on it and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, if you've forgotten your username, you can click on this option, forgot username, and recover it. Now after you enter your credentials, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll have to go through the two-factor authentication process and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in OneMain financial account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.